Hey Blanca, how's it going? Yeah, let me just do this other quick one for you real quick. I kind of explained to you a little bit about backlink citations and the amount of content you need to have on a site yesterday. But yeah, let's look at this new site and see if it's any different. So this actually looks a lot more visually appealing. So if you can actually bring people to it, I think they'd stay longer than the last one. It's a lot prettier. But yeah, same thing with this one. I'm noticing you don't have much words on here. You only have 680 words. Um, so this is one of the things that I noticed right here is your H1 tag. Like I said, this is the thing that your site is known for is spa removers, which is cool. Spa removers is cool, but you got to understand that when you do something like this, now you're competing for that term spa removers, and that I mean that's no longer in like Southern California. Now that's like worldwide. So I mean, people could be in Australia doing the same thing, or some people could be in like Europe, or I mean, you're fighting with everybody here. So that's going to be really rough. But either way, so you show all the headings here. So you have two H1 tags. You're only supposed to have one. That's kind of going to mess you up a little bit in the search engines, but it's not too big a deal. But yeah, you only want one. And then I told you the H2s are the topics throughout your thing. So, number one spa removal company in California. That's a good one. Request a free estimate. I would change that out with like a logo or something like that. That way it doesn't actually pop up as a topic. We are fully insured. Yeah, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do have questions. I mean that could be the good H3, I guess. But I mean like, so in H2, how you're gonna want to organize this is H1 would be like spa removal, Southern California or something like that, and then your H2 would be something like I remember looking through your guys' site yesterday actually. So it would be like, all right, so you do spa removals. So the topic would be like hot tub removal, spa removal, jacuzzi removal, deck removal, stuff like that. So that could be like your topics. Then you can get into subtopics, and those would be like your H3s. So you can be um, like we clean after we do this or something like that. Or I mean, I have to get a little bit of time to actually kind of get a better H3 tag and kind of doing this on the fly. But yeah, so I mean, like I said, tags are a thing. So picture header tags again. Content needs to be bumped up by like 1,000 words. So right here, it's only showing that you have 5 backlinks. And let me go to this one of my tools. This is Ahrefs. So this is showing your URL rating. That's pretty decent. I mean, you want it to be a lot higher than that, but it's out of 100. Most people don't even have that. Your domain rating is really low. So you're going to have to work on that. And by working on that, it's going to be like the whole content backlinks, having that good optimization, having these really good quality backlinks actually. Because if you spend spammy backlinks, your site is going to be considered spam, effectively. So what I mean by that is if you're getting a backlink from like an adult content site or like a gambling site or something like that, and then that's actually going to relate your site to it, and it's going to turn spammy, and instead of bumping you up with a backlink, it's going to throw you down because now your trust factor is going away. And this can be kind of dangerous sometimes when you're backlinking, because if you're backlinking on a specific page or a different URL on another site, and even though that site can be about it can be about running or something like that, but then you see other people backlinking and they have a lot of like gambling or adult content sites, then your site is going to get related to that site, even though that wasn't your intention. So that's another thing about backlinks. So this one's saying that you only have 9 referring domains. Definitely got to bump that up. This one says 81 backlinks. Referring domains kind of like spreads out, so 81 backlinks is good. I definitely bump that up because you only rank it for 5 organic keywords. So I got it pulled up right here. Spa removal, Orange County, spa removal, San Diego, spa removal lists. Spa removers, San Diego. Now, this is cool if you can actually take over one of these two, spa removals or spa removal lists, because you can look at the volume. But like I said, these are going to be national keywords, so it's not local. Okay, that would be something that you're going to want to target in your map listing, because your map listing is going to be something that you're going to want to optimize in a way that if someone looks up spa removal, you're going to pop up in that top 3 of the map back. Yeah, so that's a big thing. It shows your positions are they're kind of out there, so we'll actually look these up. Sometimes it's a little outdated. Actually, spa removal, Orange County. Let's see where you're at. And sometimes it's actually on the money, so I just want to get a feel and kind of see where you're actually at, just so I can make sure. I like to trust but verify. Spa hot tub removal blog spot. 25. Definitely outdated. Spa. Okay, this is kind of far back. Let me. Spa. No. Maybe you're up closer. Alright, so I'm not finding the first 4 pages. I'm not gonna keep looking because that's kind of. I mean, once it's past the first page, effectively, you're not really gonna be getting found by anybody. I always like to joke about, what's the best place to hide a dead body? It's definitely on the second page of Google, because 90% of the traffic is still gonna be on this first page, and 60 to 70 is gonna be in here. So either way you can penetrate the market is ideal. If you can penetrate both, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to be like up here somewhere, and you're going to want to be like number 1 or number 2 or somewhere on this top 3 also. That way you're just in their face all the time. And yeah, that's some of the biggest things. I think you need some decent SEO work on site for the amount of content you have. For the tags that I said. Actually, another thing, let me see. Save image as. Okay, so immediately, this says image 0, text 6 scaled. So by me looking at that, that shows me that your pictures aren't optimized either. So you gotta optimize your pictures. Save image as 1 text 8 scaled. Yeah, so Google's a search engine. It's gonna run through everything. It doesn't look at anything. It doesn't have like these amazing features that's gonna like be like, hey, this is people rooming a spa. You have to put these alt text things inside of the pictures. That way, whenever Google scans through it, it's gonna be like, oh, these are guys working cleaning the spa or removing a spa or removing a jacuzzi or something like that. And it's just these like specific things that are gonna really relate whatever topic you want to be in for your site. That's going to relate that to Google. So Google's going to want to bump you up on the search engines. And besides that, this is kind of just a quick thing, so I'm not going to get too deep into it. But yeah, let me know if you want to jump on a call or anything, if you need any more help. I always like to help people out. So, all right, thank you. You have a good day.